Dear kids, welcome to the Luminaires. Let's shine bright together.
Assalamu alaikum amazing kids. Today we will learn third Kalma called Kalma Tamjeed. It's all about praising Allah. Subhanallahi walhamdulillahi wa la ilaha illallah wallahu akbar wa la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah al-aliyyul azim. Glory be to Allah and all praises for Allah. And there is no God but Allah, and Allah is the greatest. There is no power and no strength except with Allah, the Most High, the Great. This kalma helps us remember that Allah is the greatest, the most powerful, and worthy of all praise. Isn't that beautiful? Awesome job! Keep saying these words and feel close to Allah every day.